my suitcase did not arrive.
Hij is nou voor jou, hè?
Ja.
Ik laat hem lossen.
Ja, is goed. Dankjewel hè. There's a little bit of lag in the transmission. It says it cannot take off. What is it, guys? It says no battery is detected. Now it wants calibration again. The aircraft is turning by itself, as you can see. Whoa, what's up guys? This is Peter, not your average guy, on the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. And I am in Georgia, joining a rally with pre-war cars that are driving all the way through the beautiful landscape out here. Look at this. It's just incredible. In a while, the 20 to 30 cars, they're gonna drive through this way all the way down the road over here. I'm gonna fly the drone as soon as I spot them. I'm gonna fly the drone out there and then try to follow them when they drive this way. We might have sun, we might not have sun. It's a little bit strange weather. It is windy, but I've been flying the Mavic Air in these conditions before. It should be able to handle this. So right now we're just gonna wait for the cars to come. I'll be on the lookout. The resort is like out here. They are coming. Here we go. All right, so here the cars are coming. You can hear the sound of it. So I want to see, because you will only see them as tiny dots, so I want to kind of get closer. The video is just lagging a little bit here. Oh. No image signal. This is not good. This is not good. I think it crashed. I think it crashed. All right, I'm gonna walk over there and see if we can retrieve it. Boy, this trip is a disaster. I gotta be careful here, man. So the drone should be here. According to the GPS information. So likely it crashed. Ah, here it is. I found it. Well, it's in very good condition. So it crashed into here. Wow. Now I got image. It's still recording. I should be able to see on the footage what happened here. And what I'm worried about is the continuous compass error that it's giving. I did a calibration over there and now it's here and it says compass error. And every location that I am, I have to redo the calibration, and that's just weird. It shouldn't be doing that. So, and the freaking thing is that this is a borrowed drone, so boy, if it's my own drone, you know, then it's like whatever. But this is somebody else's drone. Graciously handed over to me because of the situation that I'm in. So we have to decide what we're going to do now. This is a very troublesome trip. My goodness. But it's in very good condition still. I can see no issues at all with it. So it looks like it made quite a soft landing. The thing is, I wanted to go lower, just above the road, to capture the cars better. So that is why I was not flying very high and close to the road. And I cannot see anything out there where it was, like wires or anything. Could it have been a bird? Incredible. Our one propeller is broken. There's more cars coming here. The first thing that I'm going to do is, because it says it cannot fly, I want to see if this drone is still working. I'm gonna inspect the thing thoroughly. There's a little crash here. But for the rest, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna turn the battery on. So it says compass error. Now it says it is okay. I'm not gonna fly far. I'm just gonna launch it and see what it's doing. flying perfectly all right. It seems to be fine. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the SD card into my laptop and I'm gonna see what it recorded. This is the flight. Okay, so we're gonna look at the footage. What happened is help, all right. I just flew into that space. You can see it clearly. So it did not drop out of the sky. You see, I was flying lower and I just crashed into the grass. And the reason for that is because I lost connection. It did not send the image to the phone, to the transmitter, and therefore it was lagging. The video came later than where the drone actually was. So this was a hard landing. That's what I'm thinking right now, but I have to check it on this camera. Oh, this one is out. Wow. No, battery is down. So I'm controlling here. Going down. Down and right. It's lagging a little bit. I'm going up. So I'm going down and forward. Going down. The right sideways, going down. The video is just lagging a little bit here. I think I crashed here already. I can see here the sky. You see? The video is just lagging a little bit here. So let's find that moment in the footage. This is what I saw in the footage. I saw that it was filming to the right side, and then it was filming to the left like this, and now I'm down and right, and now I lost signal, and I'm like, what? I lost everything, and it just went down. So in the editing, I can put the footage together. The video is just lagging a little bit here. Of course, the question is, was this a pilot error or was this a system error? Could I have prevented this? Well, the thing is, it happens that the video is lagging, or not like not lagging. It's like the video is behind. That doesn't happen so often. It's like I noticed it was lagging because it responded later to my sticks than what I was actually doing. And normally, of course, you go left and you see it's going left. So I noticed it was lagging. And normally what happens is you lose signal. You just completely lose it. I think, yeah, there was a message like interfering. Pew. Look, I can buy a new Mavic Air. What I also can do is, I have a Mavic Air myself, so I can tell them like, you can have mine, and we just switch them. That's an option. I am not going to fly this drone anymore, because if it's my own drone, it will be my choice. Like, something happened and I'm gonna fly on with this, and if I crash it, then even if there is like a system error, it's my thing, it's my problem, you know. Then I crash the drone, it's my drone. But now it's somebody else's drone, and this is just, I cannot fly on like this. All right, so that's one. Second thing is, I got another message that my luggage is not there, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive to the DJI store now, just today, and get a drone. All right. Whoa, guys, listen, if you like my crashes, my hard landings, my adventures, my pilot error or system failure, anyway, if you like the video, you learned something from this and want to see my next video and stuff, then give this one a like and share it, comment on it, subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one, because now what I'm gonna do, right? Thanks for watching.